Namaskar, hello and welcome back. With reference to the previous video series that I have created, and thank you so much for your overwhelming response for those video series, and it was an amazing experience to create those videos. And based on that, many people have asked me one common question, and they were asking me to create videos on that particular topic as well. So considering that, I have done some research, I have analyzed and understood certain things based on my life, and based on that I am creating this video series for you. And this video series is going to be of 5 videos again, and in this factor, or in this video series, the topic that I am taking care of, or the topic that I'll be talking about is how to make good decisions. I'm not saying that you will be absolutely fine, or you will get your ultimate result will happen out of this, but no. But this the concept that I'm sharing with you all is going to help you to get at least very close to whatever you are expecting out of as a result, right? So if you are looking out for getting good results, or taking good decisions about something, right? So these factors you should definitely consider. So that is something which I would like to share in these video series. So without wasting any more time on that, I'll start with the topic which I have just shared with you. That's how to take good decisions. So the first and the basic thing that I would like to share with you all is we need to practice pause. Yes, we need to practice pause. Now it's not only about one word that I'm talking about, right? It's all it's a complete concept that I'm talking about. So it's not only about just practicing pause and you will get to a very good decision. It's not going to happen like that. So there is something more to it, right? So the first point that I am going to talk with you about, right? Sorry for the fumbling, right? So the first thing that I'm going to talk about is the first thing that we need to think about is patience, right? So why patience is, when we are in the mode of taking decisions, or when we are trying to reach out to something wherein we need to identify that this particular decision is to be identified, or this particular decision needs to be taken. So we need some time for that, right? So that particular time is nothing but patience, because whenever we are trying to get into something, right, there is multiple options and multiple reasons come to us, right? Multiple people try to suggest us something, and we get lot of information to process, right? And when that complete set of information is coming to us, right, we are in a mode that we may take decisions haphazardly, right, based on probably just half information, or probably just half cooked knowledge. So that is, if we are doing that, then definitely the decisions are not going to earn results which we were expecting. So what we need to do is, whenever we are trying to reach up to some decision, we need to be patient about something, or we need to be patient about everything, right? Whatever is coming to us, let that complete information come into us, right? Don't take decisions on it's like overnight you cannot take a decision. You have to give some time to it, right? So take your own time, take your complete thought process, complete you need to be at a complete once you're settled into that particular thought process, then only you can take a decision. So that settling needs patience, right? So let information come to you, you can process that information, you can think about that information, you can act on that information, you can verify that information. Once that complete process happens, right, it takes time, and that time is nothing but patience, right? So that is what I wanted to suggest you for this particular video. The first point before taking any decision is be patient about anything and everything that is happening around. Let everything come to you. You need to decide, right, what is good for you and what is not good for you. So take your time, put your energy, put your efforts into it, understand whatever is happening to you, and then you can and everything requires patience. Everything requires patience. So once that happens, then you can start taking decisions on that, based on that, right? So that's all for this particular video. I'll see you on the next video, which will talk about the second factor which is required to take good decisions, right? So I hope this has added value to you, and if it has given you a new line of thought, please do mention in the comment section, right? So hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you so much. God bless.